Comets are key to understanding water on Earth. One of the most intriguing questions about our planet is how Earth got its water. Some scientists believe comets played a crucial role. During the early days of the solar system, Earth was a hot and dry place. As comets collided with our planet, they may have delivered vast amounts of water, contributing to the formation of oceans and laying the groundwork for life. Evidence supporting this theory comes from analyzing the isotopic composition of water in comets and comparing it to Earth's oceans. For example, the Rosetta mission studied comet 67P/Churyumov-Gerasimenko and found that its water contained a higher ratio of deuterium, a heavy isotope of hydrogen, compared to Earth's water. This suggests that not all comets contributed to Earth's water supply, and asteroids may have played a role as well. Regardless, comets remain a critical piece of the puzzle in understanding the origins of water and life on Earth. They contain organic molecules and other key ingredients which could have provided the building blocks necessary for life to emerge. The idea that life's story may have begun with the help of icy visitors from space is both humbling and inspiring. Studying comets doesn't just reveal insights about our planet, it opens the door to understanding the potential for life elsewhere in the universe. If comets brought water and organics to Earth, could they do the same for other planets or moons?